What's up, everybody? We are in Mount Vernon, Illinois, and today we're doing something a little bit different.
I'm scared.
She's scared. This is I don't know, nothing to do with trucking things, so if you don't want to watch this, then goodbye, but this is something, this is for us. This isn't, thought we'd have a little fun today, something different. She still don't know. Are you scared?
Yes.
She's done this before, so
I've done a lot of stuff, but it still scares me.
Let's get started and I'll explain everything. Okay, what we have here is 40 bucks, 20 bucks each. There's an explanation around this, but we will get into that later. But for right now, we are going to do the $20 challenge. This is your $20.
Okay.
And today is our anniversary, 22 years. And I thought, since we've kind of done this before, but it's been a while, but first time that we've actually thrown it out here on YouTube. So $20. Find the best anniversary gift you can find for $20. So we'll explain everything later, but
this better not be my only anniversary gift.
No. This is fun.
Okay.
20 bucks. See what you can come up with, okay?
I think this guy is
He's a YouTube star.
Yeah.
And later tonight, we will give each other the gifts, and we'll show you what we did.
Well, how are we gonna hide gifts in a not even 12 by 12 here?
It's gonna be secretive, people. Secretive. I will not know what she's bought for me.
This is true because you throw the groceries in here and I put everything away, but I'll see what you bought because I put everything away.
No, you won't. All right. So the time has come. No, so the I guess the whole meaning behind this is back when we first got married and stuff, and maybe our first couple anniversaries were not really. I mean they were good because we were together, but we didn't really do too much, did we?
Our first Christmas, I got a foot pedal. Literally a gas pedal.
That's what I was gonna kind of go into. So some of these gifts are kind of crazy. These gifts, I don't even know what she got me, and it's not like it's. I mean, it's just.
I got windshield wiper blades one year for Christmas.
That's what I was gonna ask you. What do you think? One of your worst gifts are?
Windshield wiper blades.
Safety. I was thinking safety, people.
Windshield wiper blades.
Hey, when you ain't got much money, you got to be creative.
What was one of your worst ones?
Oh man, that's what I was sitting here thinking. I was like, maybe I got a belt or something like that, or.
I've always made sure you got good gifts.
Yeah, that was the thing. It's even if it was $15, maybe you got me a CD or something like that, which were pretty good, which more than pretty good. It was just, I guess I'm the bad gift giver. I'm just thinking about myself. But all right, you ready for this?
Sure.
You want to go first, or
Nope,
you want me
you
to
go first. Which
one's mine?
That one?
You sure about this?
Yep, mine's right here.
Oh, well, this is yours then. Oh. Double bagged it.
I did too.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my gosh. Friends! I love Friends.
See, I did good on this one.
Friends is awesome.
Friends, get the Friends shirt.
Friends. And I love skulls.
And
especially
coffee.
Day of the Dead.
And coffee.
And
so,
coffee.
there we go. And
Tic Tacs.
you know what was funny about it? Because what did you just buy?
I just bought myself 2 of these too.
Oh man.
Alright, cool. Okay.
Uh-oh, she like hesitated giving it to me.
So
Oh no.
one of them, there's
no.
a story behind.
Okay.
All
You
right.
want to wait?
No, go ahead.
Okay,
I'll
we'll go.
tell you when you pull it out.
Oh
Well, not
yes. Yes. Can't go wrong with the Reese's.
Okay,
New
so
hat. Yeah.
there's a story behind that.
Let's hear it.
So it's a St. Louis Cardinals hat. So when we first got married, I was pregnant, and our daughter's name is Ty, and Anthony liked a player named Mark McGuire, and he went to play for the St. Louis Cardinals, and Anthony swore up and down that our daughter's name was going to be McGuire. Now our last name is Blansfield, so her name was going to be McGuire Blansfield.
Oh.
Yeah, we got a different baseball player, but he was bound and determined that was going to be her name. So I got him a St. Louis Cardinals because McGuire doesn't play there anymore, but still, he's still a Cardinals fan.
Cool. I like the hat. And we got. Where's that at? Oh. Venomized Daredevil. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that. I like that. I've never seen that one.
I didn't either, but it's Daredevil
Oh,
in
look on
all
the back.
of them.
Venomized Thanos, Groot, Storm, Daredevil, X-23. I don't know what that
I
is.
don't either.
And Rocket. Oh, look at that.
I figured you would
Well,
like the. I saw the Venom. At first, I didn't see anything else but Venom, and Anthony is
Spider-Man.
mad crazy about Spider-Man, Venom, and Carnage. For the longest time, I'm not kidding you. For the longest time, you know how on your screensavers on your phone, you put your wife and your kids? Anthony's was Eddie Vedder and Carnage and Venom. That's what his was. So all I saw was Venom, and then I pulled it out and I was like, why does Venom look like that?
I like this. This is cool.
Oh.
But see, this is some of our crazy gifts, like back 20 years back, like when you got, there was Christmas, there was some anniversaries and Christmases, there wasn't anything, was there?
I was wrapping ornaments that other people gave us.
She re-gifted me, you know.
I was regifting our daughter, and it was a good thing she didn't know any better because
Times were tough.
I was wrapping I was wrapping boxes, empty boxes, and putting them under the tree, and
Oh man.
she thought it was the greatest thing in the whole wide world. So, yeah, it's been a trip,
Oh man.
but it's better now.
Oh yes.
Yeah,
Oh
but
yes.
it's better now, so
We're all good.
we're good now.
So that's what I thought it'd be kind of cool. So this is some, you know, we'd occasionally do this, but it was usually more than $20. You know?
Yeah, and not spurring on you at the very last moment.
How much did you spend? Did you go over 20?
I did.
I did too. $20.91.
Oh, I went way over.
Oh, see, I gotta go back. Oh well. But that's all we got. This is our $20 anniversary challenge. I mean, this isn't really your gift or nothing, but we don't, you know, our gift, I guess, will be, what, next weekend?
That'll be your gift.
You'll be there too, so that's my gift. Hey, we'll talk to you next time.
Bye, guys.